PRA Group Inc. Technical Analysis. General Overview and Trend. PRA Group Inc. has shown a significant upward trend over the past 3 months, with the stock price rising from around $13.89 in late May to $17.34 by August 22. The price action demonstrates a clear bullish momentum, particularly noticeable from mid-July through August. The stock experienced a notable spike on August 5 with a high of $18.57, followed by a consolidation period before resuming its upward trajectory. The overall trend is positive, with higher highs and higher lows forming during this period, indicating sustained buying interest and investor confidence in the company. Price volume. The volume analysis reveals interesting patterns throughout the observed period. Notably, the highest volume day was June 20 with 1.344.247 shares traded, coinciding with a price of $14.68. Another significant volume spike occurred on August 5 with 951.314 shares, which aligns with the price surge to $18.57. Generally, higher volume days have accompanied upward price movements, suggesting strong buyer participation during rallies. The average daily volume appears to be around 350.000 to 400.000 shares, with recent days showing lower volume, which might indicate some consolidation before the next directional move. Moving averages, EMAs and SMAs. The moving averages paint a bullish picture for PRAA. The shorter-term EMAs are positioned above their corresponding SMAs, indicating recent upward momentum. The 5-day EMA at 1662.83 is above the 5-day SMA at 1654, showing recent strength. Similarly, the 10-day EMA at 1637.99 is above the 10-day SMA at 16,347. The price is currently trading above all key moving averages, with the 200-day EMA at 18,646 and SMA at 1866.21 serving as the next major resistance targets. The alignment of shorter-term moving averages above longer-term ones suggests a healthy uptrend with potential for further appreciation. Technical indicators. The MACD indicator shows a positive value of 0.3067 with a signal line at 0.2069, creating a histogram of 0.0998, indicating bullish momentum. The RSI at 65.7668 suggests the stock is approaching overbought territory but still has room before reaching extreme levels. The Williams percent R at -36.3905 confirms the bullish bias without being overextended. The money flow index at 53.7197 indicates neutral money flow, suggesting balanced buying and selling pressure. The stochastic oscillators show mixed signals, with the 15-period stochastics at 48.4184 K and 46.0419 D, suggesting neutral momentum, while the 5-period shows higher values at 56,561 K and 61.6252 D, indicating some short-term strength. The CCI at 162.5247 suggests strong momentum, while the ADX at 35.1189 indicates a strong trend, though the ADXR at 24.7356 shows some weakening in trend strength. The Arun oscillator at 7.1429 suggests a slight bullish edge. Linear regression. While the provided data doesn't include explicit linear regression values, we can infer from the price action and moving averages that the stock has been consistently trading above its linear regression line over the observed period. The upward slope of the moving averages, particularly the shorter-term ones, indicates a positive linear trend. The distance between the current price and longer-term moving averages suggests the stock is trading above its mean value, which typically indicates strength in an uptrend. Next trading day's opening forecast. Based on the current technical setup, the next trading day's opening is likely to be around the previous close of 17.34 or slightly higher. The strong closing on August 22, combined with the bullish technical indicators, suggests potential for a gap-up opening. However, given that the stock is approaching overbought territory on some indicators, a flat opening is also possible. The most probable range for the opening would be between 17.20 and 17.50, with a bias toward the higher end of this range. Resistance and support analysis and intraday movement styles based on current price's distance to resistance and support. The immediate resistance levels can be identified at 1750 psychological level, followed by 1800 psychological and previous high area, and then 1857, the spike high from August 5th. On the support side, the immediate level is around 1690-1700, followed by 1650, recent consolidation area, and then 1600, psychological level. The current price at 1734 is closer to immediate resistance than support, suggesting that intraday movements might initially test the resistance levels. If the stock fails to break through resistance, we might see a pullback toward support levels. The intraday movement style is likely to be volatile with attempts to test higher levels, followed by potential profit-taking if resistance holds. Possible high and low values based on daily ATR14 value. The ATR14 value is 0.683, which represents the average true range over the past 14 trading days. This value can be used to estimate potential intraday high and low prices. Based on the previous close of 1734, the possible high for the next trading day could be around 18,023, while the possible low could be around 16,657. This suggests a potential trading range of approximately 1666 to 1802 for the next session. The ATR value indicates moderate volatility, which aligns with the recent price action of the stock. Possible scenarios. There are several possible scenarios for the stock in the coming days. The bullish scenario would involve a breakout above the 1750 resistance level, potentially targeting the 1800-1857 range. This would be supported by increasing volume and confirmation from technical indicators. A neutral scenario would see the stock trading in a range between 1690 and 1750 as it consolidates recent gains. The bearish scenario would involve a failure to break resistance, leading to a pullback toward the 1650 support level or lower. Given the overall trend and technical indicators, the bullish scenario appears more likely, though some consolidation is possible before further upside. Conclusion. PRA Group Inc. demonstrates strong technical characteristics with a clear upward trend, positive momentum indicators, and price action above key moving averages. The stock appears to be in a healthy uptrend with potential for further appreciation, though it may face some resistance at higher levels. The technical indicators mostly support the bullish case, with some suggesting the need for consolidation before the next leg up. Investors should watch for a sustained breakout above 1750 as a confirmation of further upside, while also being mindful of support levels in case of a pullback. The overall technical picture remains positive, suggesting the current uptrend has the potential to continue in the coming sessions.